If you're tired of the Dollar Tree price increases, let me show you the stores you need to be shopping at to get the best deals. I'm here today shopping at Dollar General, and they have this whole entire aisle that has just $1 products. And a lot of these products are at Dollar Tree for more. Look at this, you guys. They have the Touchland Dupe hand sanitizers in 2 different scents here for just $1. They have the Sea Breeze and Coastal Coconut. And Dollar General has exact dupes that you're gonna spend less on here that you would buy at Dollar Tree. They have the Awesome brand cleaners. Not only that, they have the Awesome brand cleaner refill. You guys, these are just $1. They also have an entire section of cleaning tools for just $1. I mean, you have everything here from your scrubbing brushes to all of your different kind of sponges. I love these for dishes. These are so great to dust around your house. Again, just $1. Dollar Tree has this exact same Mrs. Meyer's dupe cleaner at their store. This is a multi-purpose cleaner in the scent Water Lily and Coconut. If you're needing an avocado slicer, perfect for the summer, this is just $1. So much more on Amazon. This cleaning paste is a dupe for the pink stuff that you can buy on Amazon. They have it at Dollar Tree, also here at Dollar General. This one is only $1. I love it for cleaning my stove, but it also does well on granite countertops. I always like having a pack of these wet wipes in my car, and you can get them here cheaper at Dollar General. They're just $1. If you're a fan of the Native Body Wash dupes at Dollar Tree, they have them here for $1, so you're gonna save a little bit. They have the coconut one, and they also have the peach ring. You can get the same exact brand and count of floss picks here at Dollar General for 25 cents less. When you come and shop at Dollar General, you're gonna find some of the exact same brands that you see at Dollar Tree, things like Jergens, Power Stick, and Yardley. Dollar General is such a great place to stock up on your basic items, even better than Walmart. Like these Brillo pads right here are just $1. You're gonna get 8 of them. There's so much more if you buy them at Walmart. I don't know where else you're gonna get a $1 bucket. The dupes keep continuing here at Dollar General. Now this tin right here is priced at $10.50. These are great for your laundry room, but I think there's a better deal at Walmart. I actually bought this same laundry tin in a pack of 2, but it was around $12. So you get more for the price. So I would probably pick it up at Walmart. Now, the next time you go to Dollar General, make sure you look out for this new line by Holly Williams. It's really fresh for spring, and it reminds me of Love Shack Fancy. She has several pretty sheet sets priced around $20 and $25. I just picked this dress up off of Amazon and I absolutely love it, you guys. It's so thickly lined. It has the scallop detail at the bottom. It also has pockets. I think I'm probably gonna buy it in so many different colors. I'm also loving these shoes. These are from Amazon as well. Now, if you're wanting any part of my outfit, I'm gonna put the QR code right here. You can scan it with your phone and it will take you directly there. Plus, I'll link everything below in the description box. My store is just starting to get out the new Holly Williams line for summer, but I love the vintage feel of this line and it's super affordable. First, this butter dish is so pretty. You can get it in the green or clear. It's $6. Now, if you're wondering about my scallop light, this is from Amazon. I absolutely love it. It's one of the coolest lights I've ever seen. It doesn't have a cord, but this little light bulb is magnetic. So you just place it down into your lamp, and it's a touch lamp. So you just touch it to turn it on. It's so cool. If you're looking for it, I'll put the QR code right here. You can scan it. It will take you to that lamp. I also love this pitcher for the summer. Now this is going to run $8. Now, Dollar General has always had a variety of prices. So over here with their summer cups, they do have cups that are $3, but you can also find $1 options, and those beat Dollar Tree. This little mason jar right here is just $1. You have these super fun lids. These would be great for the summer. The other thing that is $1 are these little mason jars. You could put spices in here, but I also think these are great for gifting. Now these I really wanted to find at Dollar Tree. I have not been able to find them. Dollar Tree supposedly has these anthro dupe cups, but I haven't been able to find them. They are here at Dollar General, but these are $3. So they have the lemon option. They also have the strawberry. These are glass and then they have like a plastic lid. I would love to know if you've ever bought shoes or sandals at Dollar Tree or Dollar General. This year, each store has some sandals out and they're both priced at $6. I will say I like the Dollar General ones a little bit better, and I tend to wear slides like this more than the ones that I found at Dollar Tree. So I bought these slides, you guys. I'm not sure about them. I feel like they're very wide around my feet. So definitely not like the ones that I have from Walmart. So they're really not my favorite. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is deal. Now, if you go to your Dollar Tree and you're not seeing a good selection of planters, come here to Dollar General. They have a lot of great options. Now, most of them are priced at $3. Some are even $5, but there's some good options. Like, I really like this one. It's pretty thick and sturdy. This one's priced at $3. Now, I recently just posted my Dollar Tree solar light video for the year. If you're wanting to watch that video, I will link it for you down below in the description box. But all of the solar lights I got at Dollar Tree, and they were at least $1.50. Dollar General is the only place I know that has a $1 option. This black solar light right here is just $1. Now, they do have several other solar light options, but they are going to be priced at $1.50 or higher. Now, when it comes to frames, I probably would not buy them here at Dollar General. They have a much better prices over at Dollar Tree. Most of their frames are $1.25, $1.50. These you're gonna get for $5 or $6. I feel like every store I shop at has one of these snackle boxes. Now, this is a pretty nice one. I love the locks that it has on the handles. This one's priced at $10, which is about the same price as the ones they have at Walmart. Now, they do have a more inexpensive option for $6 at Dollar Tree, but I would say it's not as good of quality as this one. I came to another Dollar General because I was really hoping to find some of those Holly Williams products, and this store has a ton. I love her blue and white collection. These are plastic, but she has this nice tray and bowl. If you're looking for something ceramic, she's got this really great set of measuring cups. These are priced at $8. Also, to go along with that blue and white line, she has this little vase here. It's plastic. It is a little pricey. It's $5, but it looks very much like Love Shack Fancy. Okay, what do we think of these scallop bowls? They are made out of a plastic, but they have this great little detail on the edge that I have been loving. If you haven't tried the shoe erasers, these are great for just $1. Now, they're double-sided, so on one side you can use that to remove any dirt on your shoes. The other side is great for any scuffs. How cute are these slippers here at Dollar General for $8? I absolutely love the bow ones, but there's 4 different options. Now, if you've never been to pOpshelf, it is a Dollar General affiliated store that has a ton of home decor, and you're gonna find so many Pottery Barn dupes here. Now, just look at their planters. Most of their planters are priced between $10 and $15, but there's a ton to choose from. Check out all of these rugs you can choose from. Do you guys remember the My Texas House rugs over at Walmart? Well, they have a jute scalloped rug here for $15. Let me show you another rug that I really like. This one right here, you guys, is priced at $12. How cute would this be? Just like sitting outside by your front door. All right, this aisle has got to be my favorite over here at pOpshelf. I just love all of this neutral decor, and I've seen several things in higher end stores. Now, first up, this little swan right here. Do we need this? Probably not, but I really want to put this around my house. The other thing that stood out to me was this pretty shell. Look how cool. You could use that as a tray in your bathroom. It's $8. I also really like this picture frame over here. Now, it is $6, which I feel like is a little much for this tiny little picture frame, but it's got this great little braided detail, and metallic silver is going to be big this year. Now, the other thing, these little lamps, I've seen them everywhere. Walmart has some great lamps like this, but if you're wanting more neutral colors, you may want to get it at pOpshelf. It's only $15. These candle holders definitely look like Pottery Barn. They're only $6 and would look super high-end sitting out. Now, if you're shopping here at pOpshelf and you're looking at all the prints and you're wondering, okay, how can I fit this in with my existing print? You can mix these in with your thrifted prints or Dollar Tree prints that you have at your house. So for example, like a print like this that's $12 may not look good on its own, but let me show you how you could put it with some other items at your house. There's just so much home decor to choose from that's priced between $3 and $10. These little picture frames are absolutely adorable. I'm loving this color for the summer. You guys, we cannot avoid the scallop. It is everywhere this summer. Remember all the rattan stuff I showed you at Walmart? If you're wanting to see any of my Walmart decor, I'll put the QR code right here. You can scan it with your phone. But if you're shopping here at pOpshelf, they also have a $10 rattan scallop tray. So remember how I told you that Dollar General is affiliated here with pOpshelf? Well, they have some of the same Dollar General lines. This is that Holly Williams line that we couldn't find a lot of at Dollar General. They have here at pOpshelf. So you're seeing some of those similar items that we just saw, but they also have other items. Like they have this set of bowls with lids. And then I love all of these. Like you can get different dishcloths and pot holders in that great floral line for the summer. I'm so excited about this, you guys. So last year on Amazon, there was a snackle box where you could put ice on the bottom, but it was always sold out, so I couldn't get it. Well, they have something similar here at pOpshelf. It's a snackle box, you put ice on the bottom, and it's a Lazy Susan. We're getting this. I'm so glad I got this. It's so cool, you guys. So I washed all of these little components, and you're going to set those out. Then you can fill the inside of here with ice. And by the way, it also turns. Then you can just put all of your little containers back on top. Now let's fill it up. This is perfect to have out at any summer party, plus you can store it in your fridge. pOpshelf is definitely getting in some overstock options. So this is my slim toaster. I bought it off of Amazon. It's the Bella Slim Toaster. Here at pOpshelf, it's priced at $25, but on Amazon right now it's $24. So Amazon's still a better deal than here at pOpshelf. pOpshelf has a ton of dog toys to choose from. Now, Moose's favorite toy is one of these little lamb chop toys. He has several of them, but he doesn't have this one, so we're gonna get him this one. You can find some of the best high-end deals here at pOpshelf. Joss & Main has a really high-end line that looks exactly like this in their dinnerware. You can get it at pOpshelf between $3 and $5 for a piece. There's just so much good stuff here. I would love to know down in the comments if you have a pOpshelf in your area. This store is about 25 minutes from my house, but look at this like pretty little plate. I absolutely love it. Also their candles. I've never bought any of their candles. I'm curious if they're any good. I think we should get one, try it out, and I'll let you know about the scent payoff. I'm liking this one. It's called Emerald Coast. And again, we have that great scallop detail. So I really want to see how good these candles are. So I bought a couple of candles. I'm gonna light them and we'll see how the scent payoff is. So I've let this candle burn for about an hour now. And I have to say it's a cute candle, but the scent payoff is not that great. I can smell it a little bit, but it's not gonna be a super smelly candle. You guys, there are so many candles here. I mean, these look so high end. There's so many scents here, but then we also have these. There's these $8 candles. I really liked this one, this little coconut driftwood option, just a ton to choose from. Okay, this is the coconut driftwood one. Let's light this one. Now the coconut driftwood that I put over here has been burning for an hour as well, and I can definitely smell this one a lot more. So I feel like the scent payoff is a little bit better with these, and it was only $1 more. Now at pOpshelf, you can find a lot of gadgets that you can save money on. This right here is a pack of dusting sponges. I love using these to dust all my furniture around my house. You're gonna get 2 for $3. On Amazon, you're gonna spend around $10 for 4. Remember those slippers we saw at Dollar General? Well, they have some of those similar shoes, but they have a huge selection here for just $8, and they even have matching PJs for $12. I would love to know down in the comments, are you decorating for the 4th of July this year? pOpshelf has a lot of options that you could put out around your house. The bog bag dupes seem to be everywhere this year. Remember when I was at Walmart, I found the smaller bog bag dupes. They also had the larger ones that were under $20. There's a couple of options here at pOpshelf. So this is going to be like your full size bog bag. It's priced at $25. Now I do want to show you, these holes are different, so you're not going to be able to put in the bog bag accessories, but it's got a lot of room. You could use it for all your items. Now this one is a little bit smaller, and this size is priced at $15. Now, the other thing I love about pOpshelf that you may not be aware of is that they have drugstore makeup here. So you can get L'Oreal, NYX, you can also get e.l.f. brand cosmetics. Let me know down in the comments where you'd like me to shop next. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.